a hard landing. This is according to Iranian state media. A search is underway for where it landed. Let's go straight to Trey Yanks. He's live and
for the country's leader. And at this hour, again, we do not have any information on where the helicopter crashed exactly, but this helicopter is missing in a mountainous region in Iran amid bad weather conditions. Arthel?
well, it's definitely
All medical facilities are on standby. They have deployed dozens of ambulances and rescue teams to this mountainous region. But again,